Hello and welcome back to English for Business and Economics. In the last video, we have learned how to write and pronounce numbers from 1 to 100. If you missed that video, I'll put the link in the description below. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to write and pronounce large numbers, numbers from 100 and greater. Let's begin. The first series is the hundreds. 100, 500, 800, and so on. For an example in a sentence, there are 633 ethnic groups in Indonesia. There are 633 ethnic groups in Indonesia. In addition to the number itself, I've also provided how to write it in words. 633. Remember, 33 has a hyphen in between the tens and the units. Next, we move on to the thousand. 1,000. The thousand is separated by a comma. This is different from languages like in Indonesia, where our thousands is separated by a period. Please keep that in mind. For example, there are 1,300 tribes in Indonesia. 1,300. Or some people might say, in colloquial conversation, 1,300. 13 times 100 is 1,300. The next example, around 6,500 languages are spoken around the world. 6,500. Or you might say 6,500. 10,000, and this will be true for 20,000 and so on. For example, Indonesia consists of 17,508 islands. 17,508. That's how you would spell it out. Moving on to the 100,000, 2, 3, 400,000, and so on. For example, the population of West Papua is 868,819. Please notice that adding the "and" is optional. 868,819 or 868,819. Next, we move on to the larger numbers. 1 million with 6 zeros. 2 billion with 9 zeros. 3 trillion. This has 12 zeros. 4 quadrillion with 15 zeros, and so on. Next, I will give you some examples of large numbers and how to say them and how to write them. For example, as of November 7, there has been 9,740,326 confirmed COVID-19 cases. The population of Indonesia is 274,570,601. Once again, the population of Indonesia is 274,570,601. The total world population is 7,822,333,300. One more time. The total world population is 7,822,330,300. Now, time for exercise. In the next couple of examples, I will first read out a number to you, and you can write it down. Write down both in number and word form. You may pause the video if you'd like. You ready? Alright, the first example. I will read it twice. 15,900 15,902. Once again, 15,902. Did you get it? Here's how you would write it in the number and word format. 15,902. The second example, please be ready. 630,717. Once again, 630,717. Did you get it this time? Correct. It's 630,717. Now it's your turn. In this next examples, I'm going to read 5 series of numbers. I will read each of them twice. I would like you on your own to write down the number in number format and also in the word format. So write down the number first and spell it out. Are you ready? Here's the first number. 5,327. Once again, 5,327. Number 2. 19,090. One more time. 19,090. Number 3. 437,734. One more time. 437,734. Did you get it? We have 2 more. Number 4. 15,040,600. One more time. 15,040,600. And the last number, it keeps getting bigger, so pay attention. 831,604,152. 831,604,152. Just to be sure, I'll do it the third time. I'll add the N for every single one, okay? 831,604,152. I hope you get all those numbers correctly. If you have any questions or if you want to confirm anything, please write in the comment below and I'll reply to you. Thank you. I hope this has been inspiring. Have a great day.